Hey, I'm Cam Day. Welcome to the channel and to today's video, which I'm trying to keep short and sweet, which is very hard for me to do, but let's see if I can do it. If I can keep this like under 10 minutes, please be impressed. Today is Thanksgiving 2020. Holy shnikes. I'm really here making this video just because I'm having a lot of feelings. I mean, I have been in general, but around this holiday and around this day, and just around a lot of things that kind of are connected to it. So I just wanted to document a little bit of it with you, but also I have a message for you that I want to share. But part of the background of the main feelings that I'm fighting right now are, I think, grief and mourning. It might be a little dramatic, but isn't it weird? Like, I think today is one of the biggest days that we collectively as a country usually celebrate, that most people are with family, with friends, there's festivities, like it's a whole thing. It's been in our country's blood for a long time, and that's a whole other story, the blood of our country. But it's different than your birthday, your friend's birthday, your family's birthday that you've had to skip out on and look forward to next year for. Like, this just feels bigger to me. I also have a lot riding on it because I haven't been home since I moved from Detroit 2.5 years ago, and I have a big, beautiful family there, and I miss them dearly, and I really had hopes that this year was going to be the year that we'd be able to spend some of the holidays together. So it's a mixture of things. It's not only that, just the personal family side of things. It's also just feeling constantly bombarded by sales for everything. And now is the time that I've really had to like cut back on spending and just kind of reevaluate priorities and just to kind of reel things in. Because this is the most financially unstable I've ever been. And radical honesty. And it's also the time that I want to be consuming the most, because that's kind of the messaging that we've been all getting. But I'm also a sucker for everything, literally. It's terrible. So not only is it that, it's also just seeing other creators and other people that I look up to, or just people in the same space, seemingly holding it together, whether it's true or not, because I have the understanding, and I think most of us know, that yes, social media is but a facet of our lives, and it still feels like, what the heck, man? Like, I have a hard time getting out of bed some days. I have a hard time turning on the camera and being excited and feeling motivated. And I know that that's the case for a lot of people, and some people are just used to it. Some people know how to like work their way through it and keep going. And I'm proud of the progress that I've made. This channel was born out of a lot of anxiety and fear, but also excitement at the very beginning of this pandemic, because this is something that I've wanted to do for a long time. And ultimately, why I'm making this video is just to say thank you. This channel has provided a very constant sense of hope and community, and been a positive energy source in my life. Although I get frustrated because recording and editing and all of that is still very new to me and takes me a long time, but I'll get the hang of it. Seeing this channel grow and seeing this community grow literally on a daily basis means so much to me. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I only look forward to more that we're able to do together and explore and experience and play and just grow. Like, I'm just so excited to share this space with you guys, and I'm really, really grateful, and I can't wait to do more. So ultimately, I'm kind of all over the place because I don't want to ruin my makeup. I just did this on my, this will be up on my IGTV at some point, and You should go check it out if you feel like it. Doing my makeup made me feel like I was having a normal Thanksgiving day and getting ready for dinner, even though Nick and I are just gonna sit on the couch and eat a Chicago-style deep dish pizza, because that's kind of our new thing lately. I've had it in the fridge for almost 2 weeks, freezer, and I've saved it specifically as our celebratory Thanksgiving dinner. It's the little things. So I have a lot to be thankful for, and I am reminding myself of that in the times where I feel like I'm seeing everything through a very negative or lack mentality lens, especially being here, turning on the camera and like having this conversation with you is really putting me in this place of abundance and hope, because we're in this together. Yes, this is an insane time, but I'm grateful that I'm here. I'm grateful that you're here. I'm hoping you're safe and healthy, and same thing for your loved ones. And I'm grateful for that for mine. Like I know that I'll be able to see them safely at some point. That is the goal and that is the plan. So I just have to keep that front of mind. I have to remind myself of, the fact that it's okay to fail or have off days, off times, off shoots, off pictures, videos, whatever it is, in order to grow and to keep getting better. So I really feel like we just pinballed all over the place. I just wanted to take a moment to remind myself of what I'm grateful for and why we're here and why we're doing this, and that I don't take it for granted, although some days it feels kind of silly to be talking about makeup when there are so many things in the world that need attention. I think we also have to, we owe it to ourselves to indulge in the things that we can, that help us move forward and keep the days going, so that we can give back and do what we need to do to make sure that all of us are taken care of and loved and supported. So, all of that to say, I honestly don't even know. I love you, and I'm grateful for you, and I hope wherever you are today, whatever you're doing, whatever you're thinking, you're feeling, if you celebrate Thanksgiving, if you're conflicted about it like I am, because I'm so attached to the festivities and the tradition, but learning more about the history makes me not want to, or just kind of rewrite the tradition. And wherever you're feeling mentally, physically, I just want to let you know that I'm here with you, I'm here for you, and I hope that you are able to hold close the things that put smiles on your face and keep you going, and we got this. I love you so much. Please have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.